Who wants to try a super spicy Trader Joe's viral dip with me?
I do.
All right, let's go make it.
Let's go.
Hello, OFT family. Today is our Trendy Dish Thursday. This is a pretty much just mix and stir and eat. So this is what I've seen all over my For You page for a trendy dip from Trader Joe's. So first you add this Zog sauce, very spicy green herbal sauce with Yemeni roots. It's got cilantro, oil, jalapeno peppers, chili flakes, garlic, cardamom, sea salt, and cumin seed. You mix this with their garlic spread. So let's get to it. Let's see what this is all about, folks. And some people said that this stuff is really spicy. So we'll see.
Spicy, spicy,
Yeah,
spicy.
the cat can be all about that. All right, let's see what we got. I gotta smell it first. It smells good. It doesn't smell like it's gonna burn your mouth off or anything, but so let's add that in there. All right. And then their garlic spread. Ta-da! That one was easier to open. And you add the garlic spread in there with the Zug sauce. Oh, it smells garlicky. But I guess it should. My husband's laughing at me. It is garlic spread, folks. So if you're gonna have this, hopefully your husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend has the same thing.
Come on, swirl it up. Let's go.
I'm swirling it, I'm swirling it. No patience in this place.
And
And I saw some people serving this with like the ridged type of potato chips. I don't have those. I just have my favorite Trader Joe's chips, so I'm gonna try them on that. My husband thinks he's in a skating rink right now. He's skating around the floor. All right, let's try it, folks. I'm gonna use my favorite Trader Joe's chippies. Dun, 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 dun. I like the ones that are all curled up like that. All right, let's give her a try. That's good. Oh, that's spicy. That's got some heat to it. It tastes like a chimichurri sauce. Oh, this is really good. You're gonna like this, honey. It's got some heat to it. I hope you guys try this. Give it a whirl, especially if you like spicy stuff. I mean, it's 2 ingredients. This was delicious. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.